Democrats have come out swinging this week, defending the Obama administration and the ongoing IRS scandal. A House Democrat is offering to release evidence that he says shows the White House did not know the Cincinnati IRS office was targeting conservative groups filing for tax-exempt status. 9 on your side's Jason Law has more on why local IRS agents may hold the key in this investigation. Jason.
Tanya, congressional investigators interviewed 4 Cincinnati IRS agents about their involvement in the targeting of Tea Party groups applying for tax breaks. Well, now a lawmaker on Capitol Hill is offering to release all of their transcribed questions and answers, hours and hours of interviews, to prove he says that the White House didn't know what was going on here in Cincinnati.
Congressman Elijah Cummings says if Oversight Committee Chairman Darrell Issa does not release the interviews with Cincinnati IRS workers, then he will.
I will talk to the chairman again. I've written him and begged him to release the transcripts. I want them released. But if he doesn't, I'll release them by the end of the week.
Cummings already released portions of the interviews, including one with a Cincinnati IRS screening group manager who was only identified as being a conservative Republican. Question: do you have any reason to believe that anyone in the White House was involved in the decision to screen Tea Party cases? Answer: I have no reason to believe that. Question: are you aware of any political bias by employees in the Cincinnati office against conservative views? Answer: I'm not aware of that. Democratic staffers say none of the 4 other IRS employees interviewed stated they were aware of political bias or motivation playing any role in the development or screening of cases.
Based upon everything I've seen, the case is solved. And if it were me, I would wrap this case up and move on.
Now, Congressman Issa released a statement disavowing everything that Cummings said on Sunday, adding that this scandal is nowhere close to being solved. We contacted Issa's spokespeople about the release of the transcripts in their entirety this week, and they said they're still discussing whether or not they will. As Cummings said, if Issa does not, he will this week. Tanya?